Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to Tracy's Global Kitchen, and on today's episode we'll be flying all the way from Kenya to Mexico. Look at that. Can you guess what this is? Hey, this is cauliflower rice made the Mexican way. So stay tuned as we make this meal together. This was something that was, it is very new to me, and one thing about this is that it's a healthy meal. I know right now, or people always want to live healthy, right? So if you want such a meal, kindly stay tuned as we make it together. Such a sweet meal. Apart from the pepper, which I feel like I overdid it, it is nice, perfect. You can't even believe that you're taking some cauliflower. Let's make it together. Just that as I'm making this, I'm just in awe. Like I didn't know like cauliflower could be turned into rice. For real. So, and since I'm also not a fan of rice, if this cauliflower recipe, if it turns out to be a banger, it will really save me from a lot of trouble, because personally I don't love rice. I do not love rice at all. Let's see whether we can make a healthier version of rice and something that I can be able to, even eat, right? So, yeah, I'm just putting this. Okay, I'm just putting these peppers because I just thought that it could also help in, popping of the colors. So just give this a good chop. Place that aside. We didn't have, I saw that they put japaleno, but I don't have that, so this is just enough. But I'm going, since I know that it's something related to pepper, don't worry, I'll be putting some pepper, but not a lot, because I also want kids to enjoy healthy food. Nowadays I don't know why we don't love giving our children whole food, and it's nice, and it's not old style, or I don't know. Do you guys feel like you're going to be left out? I don't know. So if you don't have a grinder, just take your normal grater and grate. And remember, I've washed my cauliflower as well, and so after cutting, you just portion them into florets. Okay, if you want a video on how to cut them, just comment down below. I wouldn't mind showing. So you cut and just leave this stalk, guys. Yeah, I feel like I'm in a factory, or I feel like I've traveled. Like, what is this? Do you mean that you people, you knew of such things? It looks like AI. Can you make rice from vegetables? How? Hey guys, and I'm learning that this is a very old recipe, guys. Woo-wee. So you see, if you have such a big floret, you just hold it well and just grate it. Guys, magic is happening. We are making our own rice. We are done, and look at that. This is a lot, and my fingers are feeling numb. They are so numb. So look at all that rice. Hey guys, hey, this is a lot. This is more than a kilo. This is more than a kilo of rice. Look at that. Okay, and honestly, it's smelling like cabbage. So raw cauliflower, no, the smell is not good. There is it up close. Look at that. Looks like I had a grinder, right? Look, everything is well separated. So let's get started. Heat up your pan. Then adding some oil. The oil should be just enough to saute the onions, but you're not even going to saute them completely. And this is just a disclaimer. For this Mexican recipe, I see them using white onions, but I didn't have white onions, so we just use what we have. So we are now going to add in our spices. At this juncture, just avoid heartburn paprika. And this is chili powder. Chili and beef season. Yeah, this is chili powder. Give that a good stir. Some cumin. Then we add in our garlic and tomato paste. And guys, I've made a video making tomato paste. You can kindly go check that out. So I thought, since I don't have a lot of tomato paste, I can add in some tomato. So I'm just going to let this cook until it forms a paste. We have our bread of the hour, our cauliflower rice. We add it in, and then we're going to cook it for 3 to 5 minutes as we ensure that all the water is gone. So I'm just going to give this a good mix so that everything can be mixed well. Okay, most vegetables usually have water. Most, but not all. So even for the cauliflower, we are going to wait for all the water to drain, and then that is when we know that our cauliflower is ready. But I don't understand why should we let our water drain? And the way I love food with soup. But anyway, since we are in Mexico, we are going to do how the Mexicans do it. So we've mixed everything well. I'm just going to let this cook for 3 to 5 minutes, and then I'll tell you when our meal is ready. 5 minutes. Hey, look at that. Look at how our meal looks like. But this meal looks like rice, yes, and it also looks like yummy scrambled eggs. But in my wildest dream, could I ever think that I could make cauliflower rice? Look at that. And the advantage of this rice is that it won't mash up, it won't disappoint you. It is healthy rice. So subscribe if you want us to go to your channel next time, and you comment down below on what you will want to see on this channel. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you. Bye bye.